Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you companies that are hiring virtual assistants. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, GoRemote.net. Remote work is becoming more prominent globally, but some companies still have a problem with hiring. When you run a business, you want to make sure that you hire the best. GoRemote has created a safe ecosystem of remote work for both workers and companies. They offer a wide range of opportunities, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to focus on virtual assistants. There are different kinds of virtual assistants, and the most common one is an office virtual assistant, where your role will be to provide professional administrative services. But you can also be a physician virtual assistant or a social media virtual assistant. The list goes on. On average, you get paid between $13 to $48 per hour depending on your experience. Since this is a website that lists different jobs from different clients, the application process may vary, but in most cases they don't require any degree. They may require experience, but no certificate is required. Don't be afraid to apply if you don't have any degree, because this is mostly a skilled job. It has nothing to do with the university degree. Number 2, Odessa.com. This platform is almost designed like Upwork, but it is more targeted. Most of their virtual assistant jobs involve calling and taking calls. You can be an SA and have to call clients in different countries or time zones or schedule meetings. So when applying for the job on this website, first check what your role will be or what is expected from you, because you don't want to be in a position where you have to wake up at night just to take your clients' calls or book flights. Different time zones clients can work. If you're not going to be more of administrative personal assistant, maybe you're like a social media assistant, because you won't have to wake up at night just to do your job. On this website, you get paid between $10 to $35 per hour, and of course the more experienced you are, the better. The client pays in advance, but Odessa withhold all the payments until you've submitted the work. If you can't find virtual assistant jobs that are suitable for you on this website, you can try other jobs. On the same website, I came across a job that is offering $20, and the client is looking for someone to add a contact form on their website. And that's something you can do if you can just watch a couple of videos. I've added a contact form in my own blog as well. There are people who don't have time to watch 10 videos just to do one simple task, so they would rather pay someone to do the job for them. If you're open to learning new skills, go to Odessa, apply for more than just virtual assistant jobs. Number 3, Talent Hub Staff. Hub Staff is another platform that posts virtual assistant jobs. There are no fees involved and companies contact you directly. The nice thing with Hub Staff is they don't take any percentage of your money. You get paid directly by the client, and you can use PayPal or Pioneer just to be safe. Even though these are online jobs, but most of them require you to work full time. You're expected to work anywhere between 30 to 40 hours per week. The average pay is between $18 to $40. If you want a more permanent job with a guaranteed income, you may want to check Hub Staff. Number 4, Sharesist.com. This website focuses only on virtual assistants, but they have a number of jobs. You can be a text editor assistant, salesperson assistant, etc. Unlike Hub Staff, where your hourly rate is fixed, yeah, you get to set your own rate and you can work even without a degree. The problem that most people want to be VAs face is deciding which service you're going to provide. It's normal not to know, especially if you don't have any experience, because virtual assistant is like an umbrella term, but there are many services that you can offer. You can overcome this confusion by joining virtual assistants Facebook groups. It doesn't matter where you are, but there are people on Facebook who are willing to guide you for free based on their experience. I remember when I started my blog in 2019, I joined so many Facebook groups, and people used to share how to grow your blog, how to use Pinterest. I gained a lot of information from those groups for free. So don't be afraid to join like-minded people and ask questions if you don't know. You'll be surprised how supportive strangers can be. You can also take free courses, even here on YouTube. I've seen many step-by-step videos. Don't hesitate to take time out of your day to learn from the experts. Some people started taking virtual assistant jobs as a side hustle, but ended up opening their own agencies, and you can do that too if you open your mind to learning. All the links will be down below, and if you have any question, drop the comment. I'll try to reply as soon as I can.